Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sam Biology Class. Today we will discuss about hyperthyroidism. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Hyperthyroidism is an endocrine disease is an endocrine disease in which the thyroid gland produces excessive amount of thyroid hormones. In most patients with hyperthyroidism, the thyroid gland is increased 2 to 3 times the normal size, along with tremendous hyperplasia and enfoldings of the follicular cell lining into the follicles. Hyperthyroidism is caused by Graves' disease, and thyroid adenoma. Graves' disease is the most common form of hyperthyroidism. It is an autoimmune disease in which thyroid-stimulating immunoglobulins are formed against the thyroid-stimulating hormone receptor of the thyroid gland. These antibodies bind the same membrane receptor that binds the thyroid-stimulating hormone. This binding of thyroid-stimulating immunoglobulins with the membrane receptor of the thyroid gland induces a continual activation of the CMP system of the cells of the thyroid gland. This activation results in the development of hyperthyroidism. TSI antibodies have a prolonged stimulating effect on the thyroid gland that lasts for as long as 12 hours. By contrast, the stimulating effect of the thyroid stimulating hormone is just over 1 hour. The formation of very large quantities of thyroid hormone caused by TSI antibodies suppress the production of thyroid stimulating hormone by the anterior pituitary gland. Because of this, the concentration of thyroid stimulating hormone is less than normal, often essentially zero. In addition to Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism is also caused by thyroid adenoma. Thyroid adenoma is a localized tumor that develops in the tissues of the thyroid gland. This tumor produces excessive amount of thyroid hormones. Such type of hyperthyroidism is different from the more usual type in that it is usually not associated with any evidence of autoimmune disease. As long as excess amount of thyroid hormones is secreted by the adenoma, the secretory activity of the remainder of the thyroid gland is totally inhibited. The production of excess amount of thyroid hormones by adenoma depresses the formation of thyroid stimulating hormone by anterior pituitary. Most people with hyperthyroidism exhibit some degree of protrusion of the eyeballs. This condition is called exothermus. Exothermus. In this condition, the epithelial surface of the eyes become dry, irritated and often infected, resulting in the ulceration of the cornea. These are the symptoms of hyperthyroidism: a high state of excitability, intolerance to heat, excessive sweating, mild to extreme weight loss. Next, muscle weakness, nervousness, extreme fatigue but inability to sleep and tremor of the hands. Treatment: hyperthyroidism can be treated by using anti-thyroid drugs, and surgery. Early stages of hyperthyroidism can be treated by using anti-thyroid drugs. These drugs are substances that suppress the secretion of thyroid hormones. Examples of anti-thyroid drugs are thiocyanate, thiourea, and inorganic iodides Hyperthyroidism in advanced stages can be treated by surgery. The most direct treatment of hyperthyroidism is the surgical removal of most of the thyroid gland. Friends, this is all about hyperthyroidism. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.